stories written underneath every smile, every face we know, help this little island grow.
Different voices, dreams the same, every heart has played a part. Side by side through changing times, you've always been my home. Through the laughter, through the rain, we rise together once again. Hand in hand we'll always be one family. This is home, where my heart belongs, where tomorrow finds its song. Every dream begins with you, every sky is bright and blue. No matter where the road may lead, you're the hope inside of me. Singapore is forever true, I'll always come back home to you. Children running through the parks, city lights and evening stars. Old traditions, brand new dreams, growing stronger as one team. From every language, every race, we find kindness face to face. Together we keep moving on, believing we'll be strong. When tomorrow calls our name, we'll carry on the flame. Every generation sings with hopeful wings. This is home, where my heart belongs, where tomorrow finds its song. Every dream begins with you, every sky is bright and blue. No matter where the road may lead, you're the hope inside of me. Singapore is forever true, always come back home to you. 61 years, still we stand, building dreams with heart in hand. Every sunrise brings a chance to write tomorrow's story. Though the world